Now I only did 8a and not 8b, so for 9 I'm not going to do part A, but I'm just going to do part B. So I'm going to solve for B. So I could divide by 3 here, because I can see this is a distribute question. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. And now I don't really need the parentheses here anymore, because I'm not multiplying by 3. That part of the question's gone. Now if I'm trying to solve for B, one of the problems with this is I've got a negative 2b here. So whenever we have this negative, and that's the variable we're trying to solve for, I always like to bring it to the other side by adding 2b to both sides. So add 2b, add 2b, so y over 3 plus 2b equals a. Now I can start bringing terms back to the other side. So I'm trying to get the 2b by itself. So positive y over 3, if I subtract y over 3 from both sides, then this will cancel, and I'll get 2b equals a minus y over 3, and then divide both sides by 2. That will cancel, and b equals a minus y over 3 divided by 2. One thing not quite so nice about this is I have a fraction within a fraction, so there is a second way we can do that question. We can actually distribute right at the start, so let's see what that does. Y equals 3a minus 6b. I can still bring this to the other side. So I added 6b to both sides. Now I can bring the y to this side. So this is a positive y, so when I bring it to the other side it becomes a negative y. I drop the plus at this point because positive 6b is just the same as 6b. And then divide both sides by 6. That cancels, and we get b equals 3a minus y over 6. Now that looks very different from the previous answer, except 3/6 is the same as 1/2 a, which you could write as a over 2 perhaps, and y divided by 3 and then divided by another 2 is the same as y divided by 6. So actually you do still end up with the same answer, but it just looks slightly different.